YouTube shows ads on the videos that you upload at the beginning, sometimes in the middle, and at the end of your videos. Once you get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, and then you can join what's called the YouTube Partner Program, and that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. I did some research into other people's channels who've uploaded videos talking about how much money they make per 1,000 views. And the answer is that channels make between $1 and $30 per 1,000 views. So the average channel based on my research makes $10.50 per 1,000 views. With that being said, most channels looking at Social Blade get around $1 to $10 per 1,000 views that you make. In order to make more money per 1,000 views, you can do a couple of things. First of all, you can create a channel in what's called a high RPM niche. For example, Apple is one of the top advertisers on YouTube, and they're likely going to be putting their ads on technology videos. Another one of the top advertisers is Expedia, and they're likely going to be putting their ads on travel videos. Here's a list of some of the highest CPM niches: finance, make money online, technology, health investing, travel, legal insurance, marketing, makeup, real estate, cars, movies, DIY, and tutorials. Examples of low RPM niches are pranks, scary. Another way to make more money per 1,000 views is to create videos longer than 8 minutes long. Then you can go to your YouTube studio, go to content, and go down here and select any of your videos. Once you're monetized, go down here to the monetization tab. From here, you can add multiple different ad breaks if you click Manage Mid-Rolls right here. You can put multiple different breaks throughout your video. On a 10-minute video, you can get 4 ad breaks instead of just 1 or 2 if your video was shorter. Spacing out your ad breaks at least every couple of minutes so it doesn't interrupt the viewing experience too much. Don't just make videos for the sake of them being long, so you could put multiple ad breaks, because there's a trade-off if you make long videos without actually providing value. If you make a longer video, make sure to only make it longer by providing more value to the end viewer, and remember, value can be educational or entertainment value. Keep in mind that videos at every length can go viral. Here's a little secret, and the secret is that a channel like this can make over 200 per 1,000 views. You might be saying, how's that possible, when channels typically only range from $1 to $30 per 1,000 views? The secret is by selling a digital or an affiliate product with your channel, which could be a YouTube course like Tube-Mastery-and-Monetization. Make sure you check out my video on top 12 different digital product ideas that you can sell from your channel. I'll go over a bunch of different digital product ideas that you could potentially use to make even more money for 1,000 views, and the link to that video will be down in the description below. Now we're going to break down how much YouTube channels could be earning. For example, I'm going to pick the fitness niche. Go to Anatoly channel, click on bodybuilder versus gym cleaner, then open up Social Blade, type in the last part of his YouTube channel and paste it into Social Blade and open his stats. You can see uploads 134. Subscribers 6.61 million, video views 1,591,900. Divide that by 1,000, which equals 1,591.9. Accord to Social Blade, that's $255,000 a month just from ad revenue, not counting any other product. This channel, Tech Zone, uploads technology videos, and the channel pulls 1,424,271 views. If we do the same exact search on Social Blade, we'll see they are making around $31,000 per month. According to Social Blade, this is where the RPM niche comes into play. If you're in a high RPM, you'll make more than a lower RPM niche. Don't forget to check out the top 12 digital products to make money online, and why they're the absolute best for making money on YouTube. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe, like, and share the video for more valuable insights. Don't forget to check out the top 12 digital products to make money online in the description.